my dear students, in last video I had told you about the kinds of the verbs. Now I am going to tell you the details of the kinds of the verbs. First we had studied about the finite verbs. Its kinds are transitive verbs, intransitive verbs and auxiliary. In all we can say finite verbs have three kinds, that is transitive, intransitive and auxiliary. So my dear students, what is transitive verb? Very simple way, I will tell you, if there is an object in the sentence, it will show that it is transitive verb. For the definition, I will tell you, when an action done by a subject passes on or affects the object, the verbs are called transitive verbs. Here for example, I have taken, he lifted the box. Look at the board, my dear students, that he is the subject, the action is lifted and object is box. So action passes to the object, means action lifted is passing to the object box. The second is intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs do not need any object to complete the sentence. Here the definition is verbs that do not require an object are called intransitive verbs. For example, the wind blew. Here you will see that the wind is subject, blew is an action. But blew, the action do not need an object here, but sense is complete. For the transitive verbs, my dear students, we can ask the question by two words. Those are what or whom. About what or whom you know very well, these are pronouns. For there are two types of objects are there. One is direct object, one is another indirect object. I had told you in my previous video about the direct object and indirect object. We can say most verbs can be used transitively. As example, he rang the bell. Here, he rang the bell is told that it rang is that verb and bell is an object. Action passes to the object. And if we say the bell rang loudly, then you will say that here no object is there. So the action is not passing to the object, but the sentence is the bell rang loudly. If you ask in the first sentence or first example, the question by what did he ring? Here object is bell. So you will say the answer by what is he rang the bell. In second sentence or second example I have taken, by red pen I have written, you will mention that the bell rang loudly. Here no object is there. If you ask the question by what or whom, you will not get the answer. It is intransitive. The hunter killed the buck. The second example, it is said transitively, and intransitively if we say the buck was killed. In some time we are using the passive voice also for intransitive sentences. Most of the verbs can be used transitively or intransitively. It is the uses of the verb in the sentence and the context which determines if it is transitive or intransitive. For example, again if I say he rang the bell, it is transitive because action passes to the object. And second, the bell rang loudly, it is intransitive. Now another rule is that some words can be used only transitively because they need an object. For example, I say, I appreciate your gesture. Here, object is gesture. Action that appreciate passes to the object. But if I say, they appreciate or I appreciate, it will not be complete sentence. It will be wrong.